Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you appwiz.cpl used for program and control panel software install check. So for this case we will go to the search options here. We can write or press the Windows R. See here the R. So I can write this here. This is the what? This is the app wiz.cpl. See, so we can do lots of things from this here run command. So when you click this, see, directly the thing has been uninstalled or change the program. That means any kinds of software that we have been installed in our OS, that means the operating system, that we can check from the here. So in this way we can do this thing. Another things, we can go from the here, we have to search the control panel. Here the control panel options, so we will go to the programs and features. So click here. See here we can do another way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.